Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Asus has launched its new phone Asus 6Z in India today, and in this video, we're going to show you gaming, benchmark and heat test of this phone. So before we start, let's talk about the configuration of this phone. Asus 6Z is powered by latest Snapdragon 855 processor with Adreno 640 GPU. We get up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The screen we have on this phone is a 6.4-inch Nano Edge display which has a resolution of 2340 by 1080p and it supports HDR10. The battery on the phone is 5000 mAh and the phone supports fast charging. In terms of camera, the phone has a unique flip camera design, and guys, we will be doing a detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. And we have also done the unboxing of this phone, and if you want to see that, then do check the link in the description below. So let's test this phone. Starting with the benchmark, in the Antutu benchmark, we got a good score of 3,60,000, and also in the Geekbench 4, the scores were also on the higher side, which is expected from this hardware. Now let's play PUBG on it and see how it performs. We will also be doing the heat test while playing PUBG and find out if this phone has any sort of heating issues. The ambient temperature at the moment is approximately 34 degrees Celsius, and about the phone, we have similar readings in the front and at the back of the phone. Battery on the phone at the starting of the test is 97%. Asus 6Z has a game optimization feature called Game Genie. This allows you to boost gaming performance as well as perform tasks such as recording and live streaming. So in the graphics settings, we can see we can play this game in HDR graphics and ultra frame rate, which is maximum for PUBG right now. There were no stutters and lags at all, and the touch is also pretty smooth. And as expected from this hardware, the gaming experience is very good. Even in high graphics, I did not notice even a single lag apart from the usual network lags. And due to the 6.4-inch Nano Edge screen, the experience was again pretty amazing. The phone has dual stereo speaker which are also loud enough, though you'll be playing the game with the earphones, where this phone also has an advantage as you have a 3.5mm headphone jack on this phone. So in the high settings, the game runs as it should be and even better than my daily driver Note 9. I have played the game for approximately 10 minutes and till now I'm not noticing any heating or warmness on this phone. Now let's change the graphics settings to extreme frame rate. You will immediately notice that in this graphics settings, the game is pretty smooth. I usually play in this mode where I keep the graphics low and the frame rate to high as possible. And on this phone, playing in these settings feels pretty awesome. We are almost 20 minutes into the game and now I'm feeling slight warmness, especially at the back near the camera unit. So as you can see, I have played PUBG on the Asus 6Z for 20 minutes. Now let's check the temperature reading first. In the front, the screen temperature is in between 37 to 39 degrees, but the top part is slightly warm and is at 41 degrees Celsius. At the back, we have similar readings where the bottom part is in between 37 to 38 degrees, but the temperature near the camera unit almost touched 42 degrees Celsius, which is also quite normal. And in terms of battery, after playing the game for 20 minutes, the phone consumed only 6% of battery. I have also played the game for an hour and saw similar results, and the second gaming test I played the game back to back twice for almost 40 minutes and the temperature didn't go up and the highest we have seen in the front was 41 degrees Celsius. And for some reason, we saw a drop in the back temperature and initially we saw it touching 42 degrees Celsius, but then later on it was around 38 to 39 degrees Celsius. And in terms of battery consumption, it's averaging in between 8 to 10% per round on high graphics settings. And as we have mentioned earlier that the phone has a recording option, and in this you can record your gameplays including internal audio, which most of the phones do not support right now. Apart from PUBG, we have also played other games on this phone such as Asphalt 9, which runs buttery smooth. So overall the phone performs blazingly fast while gaming, and there were not even a single issue I have faced while gaming. And talking about the heating issues, Asus 6Z doesn't have any, and the phone stays cool even after playing the games for hours. And thanks to the 5000 mAh battery, you can play for longer. So to sum it up, we definitely recommend this phone for gaming, and if you're into hardcore gaming and plays lot of games on your phone, then this phone will not disappoint you. So that's it guys, this was the gaming, benchmark, heating and battery test of the Asus 6Z. Let us know if you have any questions about this phone, and also stay tuned for more videos on this phone, which includes camera review and comparison with other phones. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.